Did your favorite wool sweater shrink? To stretch it back to its original size, start by softening the fibers. Fill a sink or tub with warm water and stir in 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of hair conditioner. Soak the sweater in the mixture for 20 minutes, then lift it out and gently squeeze it to remove excess liquid. Put a towel down on a flat surface and lay the sweater out on top of it. Then, cover the sweater with a second towel. Gently press the sweater between the 2 towels to soak up the remaining water. Next, carefully tug on the sweater to stretch it out to its original shape. Make sure to pull both horizontally and vertically. Work in sections until you've stretched the entire sweater out. When you're done, lay the sweater out to dry on a towel and smooth out any wrinkles with your hands. If it's still damp after 24 hours, flip it over and let it dry for a few more hours.